Okay, which brings us to the topic of additional rainfall we badly needed. I know we were talking about damage done by heavy rain, but we really haven't seen much at all since the big rain in late January. This is Avila Beach today. Clearly some cloud cover came in yesterday, brilliantly bright, and today this surge of cloud cover from a system that will bring some folks rain. Right out here you can see that pinwheeling area of low pressure that's going to track into the south coast. More on that coming up. But first, let's get a look around at a few spots. San Luis Obispo 55 with, again, those clouds in the area. The dew points have come up. The humidity has come up. This is some good news. At least the system won't have to fight the incredibly dry air that was in the area yesterday. Santa Barbara 56, west winds 10. The dew point up to 48. The humidity 75%. Yesterday at times we saw relative humidities down in that 30% range. This is Avila Beach 56, winds 8 miles per hour. The dew point 49. Daytime highs today, some places did well, others took a big hit. Santa Ynez did well, 72, but Morro Bay took a big hit down to 59 degrees after being in the 70s yesterday. Paso Robles 71, 57 Pismo, 69 in San Luis Obispo. So some low clouds really doing a number of coastal locations. Santa Maria just 66, but Forest and Santa Barbara 72 today, 70 in Atascadero. Okay, this area of low pressure, here's why not everyone is going to see a rain opportunity. The track is to the south and then comes up through the area. However, look at the track here. It brushes Santa Barbara County, Ventura, LA County down to San Diego, but that low never tracks through San Luis Obispo County. So any rainfall gets pushed up from the south, and there's only going to be so far that could go. After that, high pressure builds in. We do have an area of low pressure and a cold front that will snake down the state as we get into Saturday. The problem is that front washes out before it gets here. If it provides any rain on Saturday at all, it looks to be really light. So through Friday, this is essentially just the first system. You can see Santa Barbara, Isla Vista, maybe Lompoc and Santa Maria with a few showers, but really north of the Santa Ynez Mountains, the chances get pretty bleak. So we can look at systems beyond that. Again, this is system number one. We talked about that. This is the cold front on the way. You can see how it just falls apart on arrival for the upcoming weekend, though temperatures will go down and winds will go up. Then we watch another decaying front as we get into the 8th. The 9th, another decaying front through the area. I'm not saying zero rain, but just not a lot. You can see the next system also kind of falls apart as the lows track inside the continental mass and not really out over the ocean where it can pick up moisture. Another similar fall apart front on the 15th. Then a system maybe on the 17th. Now we're talking about way out there in the forecast. But let's add it all up. If you add all of it up, and all of that is really potential more than actual rainfall at this point, we're less than a ½ inch of rain. We are so short on rain, so this could be a bit of an issue moving forward. Overnight lows tonight, because of the additional cloud cover, will be milder than it was last night. So upper 30s for most of the coast, 40s for the south coast, and just low 60s tomorrow. Again, a lot of cloud cover continues to push into the area. So mostly cloudy. I don't think we're going to see much rain in San Luis Obispo County, but again, the temperatures will definitely be off. Because that low tracks over us, we're going to start to see some cold air get pulled in from the north as well. Moving into the Santa Ynez Valley, you can see temperatures just low to mid 60s, lower 60s for the south coast. Why is this the case? Because this is actually closer to the low. Remember, it's tracking up from the south, which brings us to the 7-day outlook. Cloudy, rain likely for the south coast, a few showers in Santa Maria. Don't want to oversell it. Then this icon here, by the way, is low cloud cover. So once the system pulls out, it's not an immediate rebound into the 70s. Again, that Saturday system, we're being optimistic to say that any showers could get into Santa Maria. Then we get into next week, which again is generally unsettled. We'll see systems moving through the area, but again, not a lot in terms of overall potential. It will cool down. We need a lot more rainfall in March. I'm not saying it's not going to rain. It's just not going to rain much.